Okay, this is what we got. So we blew one of these hoses. This is your extended hoe on a 580 backhoe case. This is a Super L model. This is what we've got here. This is how you get this out. This is procedures. Okay, so what you're going to want to do if you blow one of these extended hose, just have your bucket and just stretch your arm out like this and set it on the ground, bucket just like that. And what I did is I came in here, there's one pin, you can see it right here, okay, it's the top pin. You're gonna have one of these lock rings on it like this here. Go ahead and pop that off, and that whole thing slides right out, that pin. You can just take and hit it. Be careful with your fingers. I've learned this in the past. Never put your finger in there. You're always going to want to use something to get the lines, the holes lined up or whatever. Take a punch and go ahead and push that out. You can see that pin's on that other side right there. Should be anyways. You're going to have to push that out. Now what you do is you come in here and you got two hoses. Where these hoses connect is right down there. Very easy. You can access the whole bottom of it. You can see right here those two lines. I've put plugs in them. You can see right there. I've put plugs in them so that I can run my machine. I've also taken these hoses off. These right here, your bucket cylinder rams hoses. I put plugs into those, or caps on those, so I can take this and just slide it right off. Now that is the only thing holding this whole cylinder in. So you undo these here, slide that off, and you can see I've got my crane hooked up here to this, holding everything up. And I just I got this all set up in place here so I can just set it there. I'm gonna go ahead and change these hoses, and while I'm right here, I might change the cylinders in that ram, depending on how bad they are. In order to do that, if I was gonna pull that whole ram out, I need to release this pin right here. So if I undo this pin right here and I pop it out, that whole ram assembly will come right out. And that is how it's done. If you put it back in, the best way to do it is take some mule tape. If you don't have mule tape, I've used wire in the past, and wrap it around your new hoses. I would change both of these hoses while you're in here. Wrap that around and pull it up through. You can see there's a hole down here on the bottom right there that they come out of, and just pull them. As you get ready to stab this on here, that's why I like using the caps and plugs. If you don't have caps or plugs, you can run this up, pull them back through the line, and these will just follow, and you run that ram right in here. With this machine on, it's nice because you can get this position in a way that you can just either set that on top and push it in, depending on how good of an operator you are, or you pick this up and slide it on with this extended or with this held up. Go ahead and pull. You're going to want to pull these through at the same time as you're pushing it back on. And that's how you get this apart right there. How you separate this. How you're going to get in here. It's nice because this end you got both of these hoses. They're really short, sit all right here. It's a really easy design. I think if Case was going to design something, and maybe they have them on the newer ones, is design a separate pin down here so you don't have to undo your bucket linkage. That's my video for today. I'm going to be doing some more videos on how to reseal all these hydraulic rams. In here you can see that they're all leaking. I got a whole nother backhoe to do down there. It's a Super K. I'm going to be restoring it and changing all these hoses out for a guy. And so stay tuned for that. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Thank you.